Useful list of breakfast foods and their example. Oatmeal. Hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries. Scrambled eggs. Fluffy scrambled eggs with spinach and feta. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt parfait with granola and honey. Whole grain toast. Avocado toast on whole grain bread with cherry tomatoes. Pancakes. Stack of pancakes drizzled with maple syrup. Fresh fruit salad. Colorful fruit salad with a splash of lime juice. Smoothie. Berry and banana smoothie with almond milk. Breakfast burrito. Egg and vegetable breakfast burrito with salsa. Granola bar. Nut and fruit granola bar for a quick bite. Bagel with cream cheese. Classic bagel with cream cheese and smoked salmon. English muffin. Toasted English muffin with butter and jam. Breakfast wrap. Spinach and feta breakfast wrap with whole eggs. Cereal. Bowl of whole grain cereal with milk. Breakfast quiche. Spinach and mushroom quiche served warm. Waffle. Belgian waffle topped with strawberries and whipped cream. Breakfast smoothie bowl. Acai bowl with assorted fruits and granola. Breakfast sandwich. Bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich on a toasted bagel. Chia pudding. Chia seed pudding with almond milk and mixed berries. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese with pineapple chunks. Huevos rancheros. Traditional Mexican dish with eggs, salsa, and tortillas. French toast. Classic French toast sprinkled with powdered sugar. Breakfast pizza. Breakfast pizza topped with eggs, bacon, and cheese. Sausage links. Grilled sausage links served with scrambled eggs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.